Okay, guys, so the website that we are going to talk about today is called latam.org. Alagio is, as we said, a freelancing website where people come to find jobs or hire other people that want jobs. If you scroll down, you can see how it works. First, you post the project, simply add a few details about what you need done and publish it for free. Get free quotes. You'll receive free price and time quotes from qualified freelancers. In minutes. Select a freelancer. You can browse freelancer quotes and portfolios to search for the one that fits your needs. Pay only when satisfied. Once you're satisfied with their work, make a secure payment in US dollars or crypto. If you want to hire someone, you can click right here. And when you do, you will be redirected to a page where it says post a project for free. And when you scroll down, you'll be able to see that if you want to hire someone, you have to choose a name for your project and describe it. That is how it works. And if you're asking yourself what makes a team better, you can see that you can bid for free and get expert advice and timelines for completion before you start the work. You also have freelancer portfolios. With these portfolios, you will be able to verify that the person will professionally do their work. Instant hire microtask screen. It gives you the opportunity to automatically hire thousands of freelancers to work on the same project, perfect for data annotation, surveys, usability testing, and social marketing. It works with Bitcoin and crypto. Through crypto, you will also enjoy virtually instant deposits and withdrawals. You have a live chat where you can easily describe the details of your project to other freelancers before they start the project. And they have amazing support. They are 24/7 available through either live chat or email to answer any questions or solve any issue. I also want to mention that they have a biometric verification system designed to maximize work quality for employees to provide better job access to professional freelancers. We can scroll down and we can see here that for website development, you will earn $250. Blockchain wallet is worth $500. Instagram followers are worth 10 cents. Logo design is worth $25. Surveys are 10 cents. And mobile app is worth $350. These prices are very similar to other websites, which proves that this website is pretty trustworthy. And like other websites, it gives a similar price. If we scroll down, we will see multiple project categories. So you can browse project categories right here. And there are a lot of choices. For example, translation in languages, app downloads, video and animation, audio and music. You have other categories, blockchain and cryptocurrency meant a lot more. So if we are now familiar with this website, we can move on to the second step. Step number 2 is to go to the top right corner right here. Here, it will redirect you to a page where you will need to enter your email. And after doing that, you just need to tick the CAPTCHA. It will probably show you some images where you will need to select the image with, let's say, traffic lights, or bicycle or something like that. Select those images and hit sign in right here. When you do that, it will send you a verification email to your inbox. And you'll just have to click on it and confirm your email. Simple as that. It will redirect you to this page where you will have to complete your registration. And you will have to do that by entering your first name, your last name, your email will already be there, your username, your password, take the captcha again. And if needed, select the images from a pop-up window and hit continue. And if you have successfully done that, it is going to say welcome to Latinum. And it's going to ask you, what are you more interested in? We are interested in work. So we are going to be searching for work that will pay us for doing simple things. Okay, then I had to work. And it will redirect you to a page where you have to set up your profile. So you have to upload your photo. You have to tell them about yourself and your biography. You will have to put in your skill, which is the main service that you offer to clients and so on. If you have done that successfully, you will come up to this section right here where it says get verified for only $12. We are not going to get verified because we won't be needing verification. Our only verification will be our email account. And we're going to use this website for absolutely free. So if you want to get verified, you can do that. And if you're asking yourself, how much does it matter? You can see the difference between unverified and verified people right here. It says that verified freelancers on Latinum.com are almost doubling the price of money from the unverified freelancers. Also, let's not forget to mention your hire ratio is automatically on a bigger level if you are verified. Okay guys, so if we click up here, where it says for freelancers, we will see a dashboard where we can keep track of our bids, our open projects and our completed projects. you can keep track of your approval rate right here. Okay, guys? So if that is clear, I want you guys to go to the browser section over here. And we can see that people who are looking to hire someone to do some work are posting different projects, and they are perfect for those people who are looking for work. As we said, we are going to do those things that are slightly easier to do on this website. So now I want you guys to focus over here, where it says usability testing. And this is where our main focus is going to be. As you can see here, people are paying for app testing. They're paying for all sorts of different tasks that you can easily fulfill. And it is not going to be a problem for you at all to spend a little time on your device and earn, for example, $5 for downloading and using an app. If you ask me, guys, that is really easy. And I want you guys to maximally focus on this, so you will get the most out of this strategy and receive Ethereum to your wallet account. If you do not want to exchange for Ethereum, there is a choice for you. If you just head over to this part right here, where it says buy BTC, and here we have a wider choice of cryptocurrencies that you can choose from, for instance, Bitcoin, Gold, Dragon Chain, Ethereum, and so on. So these cryptocurrencies are available for withdrawal if you start working on this website. Okay, if we head on over to Freelancer Plus, we can see that they have a completely free plan for us that we are currently using. They have a verified plan, which is $12, and they have their Platinum Pro plan that is $9 per month. You always have a choice to invest in this website. But if you don't want to invest, go for the free option. And let's move on to the next step. So step number 3 is to go to referrals right over here. When you are there, you can see that they have a link for you so that you can copy. And when you direct someone to that link, they apply through your affiliate link, you will get a percentage of that. So basically, you can tell your friends, family, or you can just go on social media and share that link with people as much as you can. Right under that affiliate link, there is a dashboard where you can keep track of your referral activity. Right here, you can keep track of your clicks. You also have your unique clicks, keep track of the registrations through your affiliate link verification processes, active subscriptions, and you have commission right here. The cool thing is that when you refer to someone, you get 25% of what that person makes on the website. So keep that in mind. And try to get as much traffic as you can to your referral link. Okay, guys, and another cool thing in this virtual card that we are going to get, it says right here that you can send coins to anyone by creating a Platinum coin card. With Platinum coin cards, you can send crypto to whether or not they have a Platinum account. All coins supported by Platinum can be added to a coin card. Simply select the coin and the amount you wish to send. And the system will generate a unique coin card that you can email, download, or print and hand directly to someone. The recipient will be able to claim the balance of the card directly to their Platinum account, or will be prompted to create an account to claim the balance. If they are not already a Platinum user, your referral ID is automatically coded to all your cards. That is a huge bonus. So don't forget about that, guys. This website is a very revolutionary platform where people from all over the world are going to come and apply. They just have to get to know it a little better. And that is it. Make some referrals and get your friends and family on this website and make crypto together. That will be all for this video, guys. Thanks for reading. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up.